Namaste, amigos, amigas. Class 5. Okay. 5. Name of birds. Today we will learn nombres de aves. Cock, gala, crow, curvo, chicken, paw, duck, peto, dove, ploma, eagle, iguila, Paul, aves, hen, Gelina, kite, cometa, nightingale, all, bhuho, parrot, loro, pigeon, ploma, pheasant, pheasant, swallow, tregor, sparrow, gorian, vulture, buitre, bat, murciélago, duckling, petito, drake. Okay. Idiomatic comparisons means comparaciones idiomáticas. As bitter as gall means tango amargo como la hiel. As black as coal, tan negro como el carbón. As blind as bat, tan ciego como un murciélago. As brave as lion. Viente como un león. I repeat it again. As bitter as gall, tan amargo como la hiel, as black as coal, tango negro como el carbón, as blind as bat, tango ciego como un murciélago, as bold as lion, tango oyedazo como un león, as brave as lion, violento como un león. As bright as day, tan brillante como el día. As brittle as glass, tan fragile como el vidrio. As busy as bee, tan ocupado como una abeja. As changeable as moon, tan cambiante como la luna. As cheerful as lark, tan alegro como una alondra. Okay? Idioms and phrases. Idiomas y phrases. To add fuel to the fire means worsen an already bad situation. Algegar lena el fuego. Empeorar una situación ya mala. His speech only added fuel to the fire. Sus discursos solo dio más leña el fuego. Okay? Second, to beggar description means be too extraordinary to be described. means mendigar descripción, ser demasiado extraordinario para ser descrito. The beauty of Taj is beggars description. La bellezza della descrizione del mendigo del Taj. Okay? Third, to beat about the bush means to avoid getting to the point of an issue. Ir por las ramas para evitar llegar el punto de un problema. Do not beat about the bush, come to the point. No se ande con rodeos via el grano. 4. To beat black and blue. Beat severely. Batir el negro y el azul. Batir severamente. The teacher beat the boy black and blue. El maestro golpeó el niño hasta dejarlo negro y azul. Okay? 5. To blow one's trumpet means talk boastfully about one's achievement. Tocar la trompeta, hablar con jactancia sobre los propios logros. A vain fellow always blows his own trumpet. Un hombre vanidoso siempre toca su propia trompeta. Okay? 6. To break the ice means do or say something relieve tension, to finish the tension. Romper el hielo. Hacer o decir algo para aliviar la tensión. After a long silence, Albert broke the ice. Después de un largo silencio, Alberto rompió el hielo. Okay? 7. To breathe one's last means to die. Respirar por última vez. Morir. The old man breathed his last this morning. El anciano exhaló su ultimata suspiro esta mañana. 8. To break the news. To tell bad news. Dar la noticia para dar malas noticias. He broke the news of his son's death to him. Le dio la noticia de la muerte de su hijo. To build castle in the air means to make plans that have very little chances of happening. Para constituir el castillo en el aire. Para hacer plans que tienen pocas posibilidades de suceder. For example, sentence, do not build a castle in the air, do something practical and solid. No construyas castillos en el aire. Haz algo práctico y sólido. 10. To burn the candle at both ends. Means quemar la vela por ambos extremos. Para quemar la vela en ambos extremos. He is burning the candle at the both ends and he will soon ruin his health. Esta quemando la vela por ambos extremos y pronto él ruinará su salud. ¿Ok? ¿Sí? Algunas oraciones de uso diario. Means some sentences of daily use. Ring him up. Le amo. Buzz off. Libido. Settle your account. Liquido se quinto. Do not shirk work. No evite el trabajo. Beware of imitation. Means don't trap in the false things. Cuidado con la imitazione. Mind your own business. Ocúpese de sus propios asuntos. Pair your nails. Corto tus unos. Do not spit on floor. No escupir el encierro. Iron the clothes. Plancha la ropa. Shut up. Cállate. How to read the time. Miss como liar la hora. What is time in your watch? ¿Qué es la hora de su reloj? It's a 7 o'clock by my watch. Remember, it's a 7 o'clock by my watch. Según mi reloj, son las 7:00 PM. It is 8 now. Ahora son las 8. It is 1/2 past. Son las 2:30. It is 1/4 past. Es la 1:15. Okay. It is 1/4. È la 1:15. It is 25 minutes past 8. Son las 8:21. My watch keeps correct time. My reloj marca la hora correcta. Noon has not struck as yet. Todavía no ha llegado el mediodía. My watch is 5 minutes too fast. Means running fast. Mi reloj se adelanta 5 minutos. Proverbios. Rome was not built one day. Roma no se construyó en un día. See which way wind blows. Via en qué dirección sopla el viento. Self-praise is not recommendation. El autoelogio no es una recomendación. Something is bigger than nothing. Algo es mayor que nada. Slow and steady wins the race. Lento y constante gana la carrera. Sweep before your own door. Means make yourself clean. Before finding the faults in others, you should clean your things. Barra delante de su propia puerta. There is a many slip between cup and lips. Muchos deslizamientos entre la copa y los labios. First wait, then say. Primero peso, luego diga. Time once past cannot be recalled. Una vez transcurrido el tiempo, no se pudo recordar. The nearer is the church, further from God. Means as you are closer, there is a great chances that you will miss. Quinto más cerca está la iglesia, más lejos de Dios. Okay? So learn these things by heart. It will help you. If really you want to improve your English, you must follow me for a few days, and sooner you will find that you are able to speak a very good English. Okay? Don't go on accent, don't try too much. Just try to speak in a simple, in your mother essence. That is a perfectly okay. No need to imitate, because if you will try to imitate in the beginning, later on it will be difficult and it will take too much time. So first learn it positively. Pronunciation can be improved later on. Thank you. Okay, clear? Thank you. Namaste. Blessings. Gracias.